Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to convert irrational decimals into p by q form. So let's start. So the first question is convert 0.3 bar into p by q form. Okay. So convert 0.3 bar into p by q form. So first of all, what is the meaning of 0.3 bar? It means that 0.3 bar equals to 0.33333 and so on, right? So this is the value of 0.3 bar. Okay, so infinite number of threes. So how to convert it into p by q form? So let us take x equals to x equals to 0.3333 etc. And then what you have to do is you have to multiply the LHS as well as the RHS as how many numbers are below the bar. So how many numbers are below the bar? One digit is below the bar. So we have to multiply by 1 0 and a 1 beside it. So that means we have to multiply by 10. So 10x. So x into 10 equal to 10x equals to, when we multiply any number which has 0 with a decimal, the decimal just hops over one decimal value. So that means it's going to be 0, 3.3333 etc. Okay, so that means nothing but 3.3333 and so on. So we have to subtract these both values, 10x as well as x. So what is the value? So these all become zeros. As the point, 3 minus 0 is 0 and 10x. So what is 10x minus x? Yes, it is 9x. Okay. So this is the value. Now we have standard form, but we got rid of the decimal points. But how do we convert it into the p by q form? Just transposition method. So if we borrow the 9 to this side, it will become x equals to 3 by 9. And we can also say as 1 by 3. So 0.3 bar equals to 1 by 3. Alright, now let us move to the second question. Convert 127 bar into p by q form. So this is 1.27. So what is the meaning of 1.27 bar? It is number 1.272727 and so on. Okay. Now, how many digits are there under the bar? 2 and 7. So that means 2 zeros and then a 1. So you have to multiply it by 100. Okay. So that means 100x. Wait. So x equals to 1.272727 etc. Then what is 100x? As there are two zeros, the decimal point will be 2 steps to the right. So that will be 127.272727 etc. Okay, so again we have to subtract, right? Yes. Now this is all going to be 0 and 127 minus 1 is nothing but 126. And 100 minus x equals to 100x minus x equals to 99x. Yeah. So again we got rid of the decimals and now we have a number. So now we're going to transpose 99 to the other side, which gives us x equals to 126 by 99. So now we can strike it off with 3 table. 42, then be 33. Again this is going to be 14, This is going to be 11. So the answer is 14 by 11. So that means 1.27 bar equals to 14 by 11. So now let us solve the other two questions. So the question is, convert 0.23 bar into P by Q form. Okay, so what does this mean? What does 0.23 bar, where the bar is only 3? What does it mean? It means that 0.2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and so on. Yeah? Yes. Okay. Now x equals to 0.2333 and so on. Yeah. Now, how many digits are there under the decimal, under the bar? Only one digit. So that means you have to multiply by 10. Yes. So that means 10x equals to, so when it jumps over here, it will be 2.3333 and so on. Now we're going to subtract it. Okay. So now all these will become zeros, and 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, and the point over here. And this is going to become 9x. So 9x equals to 2.1. So these don't count, no? The zeros don't come under the count. So as 9x equals to 2.1 bar, again we have to transpose this 9 to the other side. So again x equals to 2.1 by 9. Same thing. Like the point, it can't be like a perfect fraction. Even this is a fraction, this is a rational number, but still it's not a perfect rational number. So what to do? If we want to remove the decimal number, we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. Why you have to multiply the denominator and the numerator by 10? Because there is one digit after the decimal number. In 2.1, there is one digit after decimal number. If we multiply it by 10, as we are multiplying, the decimal point jumps one line over the right side, because it's 1 0. That it's going to become 21. Yeah, 21.0, which is nothing but 21. Which is nothing but 21. So the same thing we're going to do over here. But if we multiply it only with the numerator, it's not going to be proper. It's not correct. So we have to multiply the denominator as well. Tell me equivalent fraction. That's it. So into 10 by 10. So what is 21 into 10? Yes, it is 21 by, what is 9 into 10? Yeah, it's 90. So the answer for the first question, which is 0.23 bar equals to 21 by 90. And we can also reduce it in the lowest form, 3 sevens and 3 30s are. So we can write here. So here we can write 7 by 30. Okay, so that's the answer. So now the fourth question. Convert 2.935 bar into P by Q form. Okay. So what does 2.935 bar mean? Where bar is only for 5. It means that 2.93 5, 5, 5, 5 and 1. Okay, so now as x equals to 0.93, 5, 5, 5, etc. So how many digits are under the bar? One digit is under the bar. So that we have to multiply it by 10, which is 10. So x into 10 is 10x equals to 29.35555, etc. So now we have to subtract this both values. So it's going to be 0, 0, 0, and 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 minus we can't, so we have to borrow. 13 minus 4, and this is going to become 8, 6 and 2. Yeah, this is going to become 9x. So this number we have got. Now x equals to 9 goes to the other side. 26.42 by 9. Yeah. So now we have to multiply it by 100 because there is two decimal numbers after the decimal point. So if you want to get it into a normal number without a decimal, we have to multiply it by 2 zeros and a 1, which is 100. So if you multiply it by 2 zeros and a 1, it's going to be 2642 by 900. Yes. So if we reduce it to a form by dividing by 2, it's going to be 1, 3, 2, 1 by 4, 50. So that means that 2.935 equals to 1320 by 450. Yeah. Take a look. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have found something new and interesting in this video. I'll be back with another video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.